Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Rog here, and here is my cherry tree. And here are my cherries, and today I'm going to be making puff pastry cherry pie. Now we're going to need our cherries, which have been picked, some puff pastry, also I'm going to use some corn flour, and we're going to need plenty of this sugar. We take a pan and put it on the hob, quite a low gentle heat. Then we go in with our cherries, the amount that you require, and we're going to add some sugar. For this amount I'm going to use 2 tablespoonfuls. I've got a sweet tooth. We're going to stir this around for a little while with the heat on, and as you can see they gradually soften. After they've softened, we can add our corn flour mixed in with a little bit of water, not too much. Stir this around again, and then we're going to cook these down for about 6 to 8 minutes until they look like this. It's getting nice and sticky. Actually, it looks a bit like the start of jam. Then we're going to move on to our next step. We take a board, rub on a little bit of flour, just all-purpose flour is fine. Then we go on with a sheet of our puff pastry, this shop bought puff pastry, and I'm going to cut this into squares. Now the size of the squares depends entirely up to you and how hungry you are, I suppose. I don't like them too big. I want to make them a reasonable size. I'd rather they were a little delicate snack than a massive great meal, to be honest. There we go, cut this piece into 3. Oops. Put a spoonful of our cherry mixture onto each one. Trying to make sure it's a little bit more to one corner if possible, rather than straight in the middle. Oh, look at those, they're looking delicious already. They're not even cooked. Wow. Take one corner, fold it right over to the next corner, and then I'm going to take a fork, poke that little sneaky bit back in, it's trying to escape, and just crimp the edges. Now if some of this cherry mixture oozes out, oh, it's just so delicious. We're not going to worry about that. In the trade we call it rustic. Pierce a little hole just to let some steam out, and then we're going to give it an egg wash. An egg wash is just an egg that you wash it with. Then it's off to the baking tray. On they go. Now these are going to cook, gas mark 6, for about 15 minutes. Check them out. Make sure they're nice and brown and crispy, then you know they're done. Look at that jam oozing out. Oops, it's not jam, it's the lovely cherry filling. Don't they look delicious? Oh, I can't get enough of this. I can't stand it. I'm going to have my taste test, and I'm going to have it now. Oh wow, so tasty, so tasty. You've really got to try it for yourself, guys. And you don't need your own cherry tree. Buy your cherries, or you can use a tin if you wish. But you've got to try it. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And it'd be great to see you again next time. Bye for now.